very dear students whose farewell function is also due today, and of course it just came to know that it is also the valedictory function of the workshop which was held on data analytics. First of all, I must congratulate the Dean and Faculty of Commerce and the key person for this function, Professor Asif Saab, and I also congratulate the students who have completed their courses, the professional courses, and as I was just told that when Asif Saab joined, very few students were enrolled in these courses, but due to his efforts, the number has increased drastically. Again, I congratulate you, and this are the days. And when it comes to the professional courses, as we all are aware, traditional courses are there, of course they have their importance, but these days the role of professional courses that is being instrumental for the employability of the students, that is very, very significant. These days the call is now you don't have to look for employment, rather your focus should be to give employment to the people who are unemployed. So you have a great responsibility. The future, I see you as future employers because you have learned the course, the professional courses, which is very, very significant these days. Now you have acquired the skill. So as you are aware, the skill development, the role of skill development these days has significance, right? Not in the universities. The efforts of the government is also to engage all those youth to be employed not only in government jobs, rather they should have their own entrepreneurship so that they can employ the unemployed youth, and they should be the job providers, not the job seekers. So I expect a lot from you. The future is great for you, as I was just told that before the completion of your course, most of you already have got good placements. That is a great thing, and for anybody to do these days that you have already got job before you completed your courses, and in the campus placement also your representation was much more higher than the traditional courses. That is very, very satisfying for any university. Secondly, I must tell you that you have heard so much, many people have spoken. Muzaffar Saab, I learned quite a bit of administration from him because I worked under him for almost more than 2.5 years. More than 2.5 years, I was the first female deputy proctor under him. So people at that time also that was a fact that why a female deputy proctor is appointed in Aligarh Muslim University, what a female will do for discipline and lawlessness. That was the task those days it used to be. But I must confess that those days a lot of appreciation was for Muzaffar Sahib for being a very strict administrator and a very effective proctor of Aligarh Muslim University. Also, he was also the Dean Students Welfare also, and Chairperson Department of Electronics, and Mohsin Saab sitting here. Here people are sitting, they are multitasking guest Asif Saab has invited. Yes, Mohsin Saab was the proctor also, and he served as the chairperson and also the Dean Faculty of Commerce, and of course Javed Akhtar Sahab. Javed Akhtar Sahab was, I think I worked quite a lot, we worked together when Javed Akhtar Sahab was the controller and also the registrar of the university. On many occasions we worked together. So all these people have great administrative acumen. They are gathered here, and of course the chairperson of the department, Imam Sahab, Imamul Haq Sahab, many a times when he was the dean, I was the principal of Women's College. On many occasions we have worked, and with Asif Sahab we have shared many EC meetings with Asif Sahab. As proctor he was also the EC, and he was also our elected member of the Executive Council. And I must say that he is a great advocate of you people. Now also he comes with a number of demands for you people. So that shows how much concerned he is, and I am very happy that you all have taken a course on workshop on data analytics, and which is very, very important these days, because these days it is said Sara data ka khel. All the researchers in the research methodology, whether it right from hypothesis building to your alpha error, your beta error, and the appropriate statistical techniques, and the interpretation of the data, and the use of the data, application of the data, that is very, very significant these days. You will find out that most of the research papers in social sciences these days, earlier there used to be less empirical paper, rather it used to be theoretical papers. Now every paper you will find, when you go through the research article, you will find it is the empirical studies, and all those papers, they have very high impact factor. Those who have used appropriate statistical techniques and the interpretation of the data, taking into account the type 1 and the type 2 error, or the alpha or the beta error that you all are using in data analytics, how you build a hypothesis, and then of course the interpretation of the data. These days, earlier there was hardly any hardly any statistical techniques. Nowadays this SPSS is used so widely in social sciences, in commerce also they are being used. So you are trained, now you are equipped with a very important technique. I am sure that in future it is going to help you in your further job and further work, or if you pursue research work or you write research papers, this is going to be very, very beneficial for you. So with these words, I once again congratulate the organizer of this workshop, Dr. Asif Saab, and you all, each one of you, you deserve congratulations for completing the course, and it is your farewell party. I wish you all the success in your all future endeavors, and I am sure Aligarh Muslim University teaches you so much besides your academics in other things also, besides academics. So you all are going to be very successful entrepreneurs, or whatever job or business or any thing that you are going to do. I am sure you will do. You will come out with flying colors. Thank you so much.